Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by uploading the original PDF to Google Drive. Do that now. Once uploaded, make sure you use a desktop browser because Chrome or Firefox preserves fonts and layout best. You want the source file intact. Do not open or resave it in another app first. After upload, right-click the file to reveal conversion options. This first step matters because Drive's import engine reads embedded fonts and structure, and getting this right reduces formatting loss later. Once you open the PDF with Google Docs, Drive runs its conversion and OCR. Wait for the document to fully render. Make sure to inspect headers, tables, and image alignment. These are the usual trouble spots. If the file is multi-column or has custom fonts, replace them with similar web-safe fonts and reflow text blocks. This preserves spacing. If Google's conversion mangles a table, copy the table into Google Sheets and paste it back, which often restores columns and cell widths. You finish by saving and exporting a verification PDF to compare with the original. This confirms whether formatting survived. If you see misaligned elements, try an alternate path. Export the PDF to Word using Adobe or another tool, then upload that Word file to Drive. Sometimes two-step conversion yields better fidelity. Make manual tweaks only after that, because precise font sizes, indents, and reinserted images will restore the final polish. Troubleshooting tip: replace problematic fonts with visually similar web-safe ones to avoid layout shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.